Hi, welcome to mycutetoons. Today we're going to draw Bomb from Angry Birds. Grab your marker and follow along with me. We're going to start off with a circle. And I'm not going to connect the circle at the top, so I'm just going to make maybe 2 dots for me where I'm going to stop. I'm going to start here and I go right around and I'm going to stop on the other side. So let's start with our circle. And you can stop and maybe go from the other side if it's easier for you as well. So there's our circle. Now right on top, there's a little stem sticking out. There we go. And I'm just going to make a few zigzag lines. Now that we have the body, we're going to divide the body in half, roughly in half. So I'm going to start on this side and I'm just going to draw a few feathers. Some jagged lines, and I'll draw a few jagged lines back. And now that we have his body divided, we're going to start with his beak. Now the first part of the beak, I'm just going to draw a U shape. And I'm going to make it wider at the top, so it goes out. And then on top, I'm just going to bring it back. And now that I have the shape, I'm going to draw his mouth. Now from here, we're going to jump to the eyebrows. So I'll draw a line curving down, and on this side, I'll just draw a straight line. And then I'm going to start thin in the middle, and I'm going to work it out thicker at the sides. And this one, I'm going to do the same thing as well. A little bit thicker on the sides. And now we can draw the eyes. Now before we draw the actual eyes, we're just going to draw sort of an eye pocket, if I can put it like that. So there's one eye pocket and there's the other one. So we're going to draw it quite big, touching the beak. And then inside, we're going to draw the eyes. So I'm going to draw the bottom part of the eye, as we always do. And I'm going to make it nice and round on top. And I'm going to do the same with this side. Nice and round on top. We're going to do the pupils without the light reflections today. And then, of course, the irises. Now let's fill the pupils in. I'm going to draw a few feathers, maybe just a few jagged lines there, and I'll do the same thing here at the bottom as well. Now we can go to the legs. I'm going to do the legs first. I'm going to draw his feathery upper legs, and I'm going to do the same on this side as well. They don't have to be precisely the same size. And now I'm going to draw the feet. I'm going to start here at the back. I'm going to draw the heel area. And I'm going to draw one toe. I'll draw a second and a third toe. And then I'll just connect them all together with a curvy line. Let's do the same on this side as well. So I'm going to start at the back, the heel, the toe. Another toe, then the last toe, and connect it to the back, and there's 2 feet. And now for Bomb's arms. Few jagged lines, make a curl back, and then from here I'll draw a thumb, and sticking out there maybe a finger. And we'll do the same on this side also. A jagged line going down, a forefinger, a thumb, and maybe a finger sticking out there. And there we go. And there's Bomb. Now you can look at my picture and you can try to match the colors. Thank you for drawing with me. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you soon. Bye bye.